somebody reached out, Sean, a buddy of ours, and said, he just emailed randomly, because I had a website for anodizing paintball guns, and he's like, hey, can you anodize some knives? And I was like, yes, I like knives. I've carried a knife in my pocket every day since I was 11 years old.
Can't seem to find the time to, to design and play with and learn how to make a knife.
John here. It's Knife Making Tuesday. Hey guys, John here. Welcome to week 3 of my Knife Making Tuesday adventure. Week 4, week 9, week 13. Knife Making Tuesday, week 20. We bought a new machine. Ta-da! Ta-da! This is week 40. This is Knife Making Tuesday, week 52. This week, we're going to be talking about Timascus. John Grimsmo here, in the new workshop.
We are going to Blade Show 2018. Like, you used your sales background to like draw people into the table. You're like, come on, check this out.
Like, we didn't have any finished knives, but we had, some scales to sell, and then our 2 prototype knives that were not good and, not finished yet.
Yeah, our customers are the reason we're able to do this, and that's why we put everything we have into, we pour our blood, sweat, and tears into this business and into the products so that they're rewarded.
Yeah, we wouldn't be here without them.
Exactly. It has to be this mutual respect both ways.
Hey guys, welcome to the last day in the old shop. It is fun to think about the memories and the experiences and the time that we had here, the over 4.5 years of being in this shop. It's good. Turn off that light. I'm good.
Over the years, we've done all kinds of crazy one-offs, which take 10 times longer than a regular production knife, so we don't do a lot of them. But every now and then, we're like, it's time to throw something else in the fire, right? Yeah. So what are we working on now?
So right now, we've finished up a series of 4,000 knives. So we decided with the 4,000s, like we usually do one, the 1,000 was a singular knife, but with this one, we kind of wanted like the 4 Norseman for 4,000. So we did 4,000, -1, -2, -3, and -4. New handle pattern on them with different materials.
For these 4,000s, we needed something special to house them. And one of our employees at the time, Yo, was also like a hobby woodworker at the time and blacksmith as well. And he's like, I can make some sweet boxes for that. So he actually forged the hinges, the pins, did all the woodworking, made the lid. He engraved like ancient runes, Viking text, that on a different text on each of the 4 things. So how come these knives took a year?
Many reasons, of course. Yeah, part of the reason was that, with Damasteel, especially, like it's a much more expensive material to work with. We don't get a lot of it in. We didn't have any real extra material. So we made the 4,000, like all 4 of them, and I think that's all we had. Like we had enough for those 4 knives.
This was the whole plan. We had 4 pieces of material for the nickel aluminum bronze. We had 4 pieces of Damasteel, and we're like, all right guys, this is serious.
Don't screw it up.
We see the dedication and the commitment and the effort that everybody puts in. It puts a lot of pressure on our plate to make them worth it, like make them happy. It was fun for everybody. We had a lot of people involved in that whole process. It took us, we've been working on it for a year for the 4 knives. Yeah, now it's really nice. We got a staff of 11 people to come in, and you see people like working really hard, and they know exactly what they're doing, and they're skilled in their jobs, and they care. Yeah. They want to be here. It's a choice to be here. You don't have to be here, but we're doing everything we can to entice people and keep them happy and motivated, but they want to be here.
Like they've just really taken it to the next level without us needing to ask them to do it, because they just want to make the better product. They're like, there's a step we're not doing that could make the product better, so can we do that?
I'm still not where I want to be. I'm not where I know I could be in our business as well.
That's the Viking way. Exactly. Always exploring, always finding new lands.